Hello, this is Esther from Richie Zhao team from Royal LePage. Today I'm here to introduce the most luxurious condo in Langley, Willoughby. It's 1,600 square feet. You need to check this out.
This corner unit penthouse spans 1,600 square feet and includes a 205 square feet retractable solarium, ideal for year-round indoor-outdoor activities. Enjoy exceptional views through full-length windows, complemented by 12-foot ceilings. This luxurious unit has been customized from the developer's original floor plan to feature 2 complete master bedrooms. The master bedroom includes a large walk-in closet, ensuite with double sinks, heated tile floors, and a large stand-up shower. The spacious dining and kitchen area boasts gourmet Samsung appliances, including a gas 5-burner cooktop, double oven, and quartz counters in both the kitchen and bathrooms. A dedicated laundry room features a sink and a full-size washer and dryer. This penthouse also features a spacious balcony with a designated barbecue area. Additional electrical sockets are conveniently available on the balcony for electric barbecues. Additional features include air conditioning, a high-efficiency heat pump system, 2 side-by-side parking stalls, and 2 large garage-style storages with power for electric vehicles. Contact us now to schedule a private showing of this exceptional high-end property.